Hey Sam fam, welcome back to another video, and we're back with another tutorial. So this one is going to be the second part of counter quests. So let's just go to the sandbox right here really quick. And we're gonna click borderless windows. And so this is gonna be okay, so as you can see, we already have the artifact collector quest here from the last video. But we're gonna be doing still a counter quest, but instead of collected object, it's gonna be deaths. So basically, so you have to kill something, and so let's just do this. So let's call it Max. So from the last video, y'all already know how to do the auto unlock, auto launch, or if it requires a message or not. This one is going to be auto, like automatically, because you have to kill Max, so you cannot receive the quest from him. Well, you could, but we're not going to make it that way. So let's just do kill Max. So deaths, and we're going to give him the tag asker, because that's the tag he has, but he's not gonna ask anything. Amount, and you're gonna say 1, auto completion, and you can do send message or whatever you want, but we're gonna do end game. So here we are. He is an asker. His tags are asker already. So it comes up as soon as you log into game. The quest is automatically unlocked. Then all you have to do is do what the description says, which is kill Max, which he doesn't have a health component. I forgot to do that. So of course they have to have the component health so that you are able to do damage to them so that they can die. Once you've done that, then you can test your game. Now your objective is unlocked. You can see the description, and you will be able to defeat them and win. But for some reason that didn't work. Oh, I know why. You're gonna add the tag asker with a lowercase a. Enter. And now you can try this. You will just kill Max, and there you go. Then you win. That was super quick and easy, and that's how you work the counter quest death setting. The next tutorial will be how to do the other quests, not counter quests. But that's all for this video, so I'm glad that you made it all the way through. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Help us make a better future today in the metaverse.